Hey guys, welcome to today's Excel tip on summing values up. So what we're going to try and do today is sum up columns of data. So for January, February, and that of March. So there are three techniques we can use to sum up values, and I'm going to show you each one using the three different columns we have. The first trick is by selecting the range of cells you would want to sum up. And whilst on the Home tab, go all the way to the Editing section and click on AutoSum. And there you are, you have the sum of all the data that you selected for January. The February sum, we'll use the second method. And here you enter the cell, you use the function equal to sum, and the function pops up, and you have an open bracket. You're asked for a series of numbers, and you can actually highlight a range of cells to sum up. And there you get your summation range from E4 to E9. Then you close the bracket, and then you press the enter key, and then you receive a summation of the cells in the range. The third most common step is by typing in the cell references, and in the March columns case you type in F4, F5 and F all the way to F9, and you add them up. So let's start. So this is equal to a summation of F4, then we use the plus key to add all the cells up all the way to F9. Now when you added all the individual cells, you realize that each cell that you add up, the color of the cell reference matches the color of the cell. In this case, F4 is blue, so we have blue here, so on and so forth, all the way to the orange, which is F9, and here it is. So now you press the enter key and you've created a summation. These are the three most common sum steps. Thank you.